Hey, this is Mark from BuyHeatShrink.com again. Today we're going to work with our bench mount hot knife, and we've got a little problem with this one in that it's not heating up. You can see the red light on. This has actually been on for about 5 minutes or so, and what I'm seeing is it's actually not even melting the sleeve here, so it's not making a cut. So a lot of people think that either A, there's a problem with the hot knife, or B, they have to replace the blade. That's actually not the case. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to let this cool down a little bit, and then we'll come back in a couple of minutes and I'll show you how to fix the problem. Okay, so here we are. It has cooled down and I'm not afraid to touch it anymore. So what I've done here is I've loosened up all the screws here, and then what I can do is I can basically take the whole thing apart. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on here, and then where'd the other one go? Where'd it go? There it is. Sorry. And I'll put this one on here, and I'm going to tighten these almost all the way. Just still a little bit loose here. And then tighten this one. Alright, go back a little bit. Now, what we have to do is make sure that the blade is actually completely sitting on the pins underneath. So I've got it down here nice. Now I can tighten this again, and I'm going to put the screw in here, and actually just start it out finger tight, and then I'll take the screwdriver and finish it up. Well, there we go. And do the same thing with the other one. Remember to please make sure this is cool before doing any of this work here. Ah, there we go. Wasn't exactly cooperating. Alright, it's all done. And I'm going to turn this back on. And you can see the smoke here already. It's already heating up. Let's see. Okay, great. Try to do this in a well-ventilated area also. And then, boom. And we're done.